Do you want to know how you can choose the writing style in DeepL? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the writing style in DeepL. Go ahead and open deepl.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and then log in to your account. Now go ahead and choose Write option over here. It will take you to this page and you can see style. Click on style and then you can see you can select a writing style. So there are 5 options: simple, business, academic, technical and casual. The writing style will differ according to the writing style you have chosen, and you can even set a tone. So there are 4 options: enthusiastic, friendly, confident and diplomatic. You can select the writing style and tone, click apply, and then you will get the output according to the style you have chosen. So if you have chosen simple and enthusiastic, you will get a simple type of writing and an enthusiastic tone. So if you want to reset your writing style, go ahead and click reset and the style will be reset again. This was a video on how you can choose your style or writing style on DeepL. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.